just want the honeys with the blue faces. Blue bottles, blue beamer, speed racer. Money team, MVP, team player. Ballin' like Steph Curry, let the green lay up. I just want the honeys with the blue faces. Blue bottles, blue.
Hello everyone, welcome to Real Stuff No Fluff, Boss Up. I'm your host, Angela Nixon. Today's topic is how I got kicked off of Merch by Amazon. Merch by Amazon is a platform that Amazon provides for you to sell t-shirts with no upfront cost. 3 years ago, I uploaded a few little designs. At that time, Amazon allowed you to upload up to 25 designs. I had only a couple of designs up. Then one day I was watching a video, and this guy was making over $5,000 a month. He started when I started. So I'm like, hold up, you got to get your work in. So I start to put my work in. I start selling t-shirts, and I start moving up the tiers, and I start being able to put up more shirts, and I found that niche that had me zooming. I mean, I was straight moving, making over $3,000 a month with Merch by Amazon. However, I guess it was time for me to tier up to tier 1,000, and Amazon said, you're infringing on intellectual property. And intellectual property is when you have pictures or works of someone that you didn't have authorization to have their works. Well, I thought on a creative standpoint that I was able to create these black leaders, because that was my niche, was black civil rights leaders, that I will be able to use them. Even Harriet Tubman, who's about 100 years old, I wasn't able to use her as well. So t-shirts like this one got me knocked off. Also, this t-shirt design and others similar to it, I had to be cautious, especially with Malcolm X and Tupac. I infringed on IP with Printful. Printful terminated the design, but not the account. So you have to be very careful about pictures that do not belong to you, or you cannot prove that you are the holder of that particular picture. So that's how I got kicked off of Merch by Amazon. I tried to appeal. I said, give me a chance. I really didn't know. No one breaks these things down to you. That's why I'm here right now. Real stuff, no fluff. I'm your host, Angela Nixon. You guys take care and be blessed. Bye-bye.